Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well and doing good. Today I'm unboxing a digital air fryer from George Asda. So let's get started. It's a digital display with touch screen panel, variable temperature control, 6.2 liters removable basket, and has 8 preset functions. This is a non-stick. It's 6.2 liters capacity. This serves up to 4 to 6 portions, and it's no oil needed, but that's optional, that's up to you. And it also comes with 2 years warranty. Comes with instructions. Here is a guide of our preset menus here. So it tells you exactly what to do. You can do chips, bacon, chicken, prawns, cakes, fish, vegetables, anything you want. And the temperature is on the side. This is how it looks. Still remove all these seals. Some on the other side. It's a quite nice size. This is like a little tray that comes with it. Can we just put it in like this inside? It's like a family size one. And then you push it back in. I'm just going to remove this plastic here. I'm just going to plug it in. So this is a timer. This is the temperature. And if you want to turn it back on, I think you just push your finger and leave it on there for a couple of seconds. And it comes back on. When you turn the machine on, it has a preset menus. For example, this chips, bacon, chicken, prawns, seafood, lamb chops, cake. You can bake in this as well. And it has, you can do vegetables as well, stuffed vegetables, and fish. You can make a whole fish in there as well. I'm also going to be reviewing this machine. I'll be making some chicken wings in here. So I've already marinated them. I'll be cooking them in the air fryer. As I'm going to be making chicken wings like drumsticks, it says 25 minutes and the temperature is 180, but obviously you can adjust to your own temperature. I'm gonna, instead of 180, I will be doing it on 190 because it says 25 minutes. So it's trial and error, so you'll get used to it. See how they come out. So we are going to go for the chicken setting. And it says 25 minutes. It says 180 here, but instead of 180, I'm going to go for 190. Halfway, say about 12 minutes, 12 and a half minutes, I'm going to turn them. Right, this is cooked halfway, so I'm just going to pause it for a minute and I'm just going to check. Oh wow, this is how it's looked. Just going to turn them. just turn them over and I'm just gonna put them back in. And it's starting to cook again. Right, the timer just went off. Let's see how it looks. They look really, really nice. Yeah, it's fully cooked, as you can see. There's no pink in that at all. We'll try it out. That's really, really nice. I would recommend this air fryer. It's so much healthier as well, and it saves so much time. In the oven it would have taken about twice as long, or maybe an hour in the oven for this, but in the air fryer it just took about 25 minutes at 190 degrees Celsius. This makes your life much more easier. I will be making more other recipes with this air fryer, so look out for it. And I hope you've enjoyed this review. Thank you for watching my channel, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.